of Beethoven? Well, he was supposed to name it after me, but then he went and fell in love. Well, I just hope him and Lisa are happy. I'm a good friend like that.
You're turning back.
from further in the timeline than both of you, so...
Oh, yeah?
Oh, Dave!
Well, I can see why you two are friends. Oh, wow, this one is right. Oh, darling, let's see these particulars.
Well, everyone, welcome to meet my new friend and confidant, Caveman Dave. He didn't have a name when we met, and I think he looks like a Dave, don't you? We've been hanging out a while now. Oh, he's a fan of modern music, aren't you, Dave? He's still getting the hang of being a modern musician. He's in the middle of a 90s pop phase at the moment, so I'm sure you can imagine how that's been for everyone in the house. Or I suppose you can, but no matter. I'm no expert, but I believe that this might actually be the caveman who discovered the wheel. He's very smart for a Homo erectus. Sorry, Neanderthal. Very smart for a Neanderthal. He's also a quick study. He's been learning all sorts of things since he's gotten here. Haven't you, Dave?
Super duper!
Yes, and language. I've been teaching him myself. Hey, Dave! What word did we learn yesterday?
Metaphor!
Yes, that's right! We did learn metaphor. And can you give us an example?
The jar is prison!
Well, the jar is glass, but we're working on it. Anthropologists actually believe that our species coexisted together, but were wiped out because we weren't as aggressive. Some even believe that Neanderthals were the more peaceful and intelligent of the two. And I have to say, that's definitely Dave. Yes, definitely Dave. Sure, he'll get stuck, but all he needs to do is just breathe and let it go.
Wow!
Oh, yes! See? Whoever said you can't teach an old dog new tricks has never met my boy Dave. Oh, I'll teach him how to make the perfect omelet next. And I should probably teach him how to shave at some point like Belvedere taught me. I think he'd look good with a mustache, don't you? Dave! Dave! No! No, what's that? That came back! That came back! No! 46,000 BTE! Who set it to that? Oh no! Oh! out all the dinosaurs and put them on an island. And then charge admission and drive everyone around in little jeeps. I don't see anything wrong with that idea. Don't you, Dave?
Whoa!
Ooga chaka, ooga 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 chaka, ooga 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 chaka, ooga 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 chaka, ooga ooga. I can't stop this feeling. Ooga ooga deep inside of me. Ooga chaka, ooga ooga. Girl, you just don't realize what you do to me. Ooga 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 chaka, when you hold me in your arms so tight, you let me know everything's alright. What time of sweet as candy, tastes on my mind. Girl, you got me thirsty for another cup of wine. Apart from you, I don't need no cure. I just stay up victim if I can for sure. All good when we're all alone. Keep it up, girl. Yeah, you turn me on. What time of feeling? That you're in love with me. All the good love. What time of feeling? I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. I'm hooked on a feeling.
Amazing! I tell you, they sure don't make them like they used to. I tell you folks, they sure don't make them like they used to. Hello, Joseph. I assume you're here to apologize since you're still here.
Of course I'm still here. This is an emergency. Oh, and time just moved in reverse.
Funny. That doesn't sound like an apology.
Why don't you even listen to me?
I've been doing nothing but listen to you for 15 years. I do nothing but support you, and you treat me like I'm some sort of child. Like somehow my opinion matters less than yours.
It's not opinion, it's fact.
Facts? What facts? You told me that using the time machine would destroy everything, but look around. We're still here.
Yes, but by my calculations, that if we use the time and space machine even one more time, it could be cataclysmic. Just look. Oh no! My science! Now nothing makes sense.
This is Weinberg well, we don't make cents, we make dollars. If you just looked up from your research every now and then, you would see that everything's fine. Not everything can be quantified by an equation. The world isn't ending. History hasn't rewritten itself. You were wrong. Admit it, old friend. I might not know much about this time travel business, but neither do you.
What's the point? It's like trying to solve a puzzle with half the pieces. Logic is based on the principle of causality, where every action has a reaction. But what happens if the reaction happens before the action? And what does that say about time? Come on, Joseph, think, just think. Okay. If Owen took the gold back in time and gave it to his grandfather, and then his grandfather used it to build their fortune, and then they used that fortune to build the company that financed my time and space machine, that allowed Owen to go back in time to give his grandfather gold, then where did the gold even come from? I mean, what if I never invented the time and space machine? Would history change? Or can it change? Or is it meant to happen exactly as it has? Is free will an illusion? Does anything I do even matter? Perhaps someone's right. Perhaps I've spent so much time working on my calculations that I just fail to see what's right in front of my eyes. Of course, the quantum timepiece. This is why I've been immune to the fluctuations in time. If Owen can see this, he finally understand. Owen, I can prove that I was right.
Oh, joy.
No, come on. All right, just take this, put this in your hand, and then you'll see time and space has been behaving very strangely.
I don't think it works.
Just, you need to give it more time.
Well, it's our lucky day. Time is something we have in abundance. Come with me, old friend. I'll show you there's nothing to worry about.
Let's just wait. No, we can't use the machine. I won't let you use the machine.
Oh, wait! we do?
I don't know, Owen. I don't know what to do. Everything is I can't calculate this.
Well, you're the scientist. Please tell me that you can fix this.
There's too much incomplete data. There's too many variables. There's too much I can say. There's failure. There's risk. There's danger. We have to do something.
Calm down, man. Whatever comes through that door, we'll face it together. Oh. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. Ah, Belvedere!
see things as they really are. This version of you looking at you.
interpretation of a metaphysical concept, but theoretically, yes.
It's beautiful!
It's a mess.
Yeah, but it's our mess.
I suppose it is. It seems we were both wrong. Time is not what we thought it was. All we see is a line. Just one thread. When really it's a vast tapestry. Not stretched, but layered. Occupying the same space, not through time, but by frequency. By vibration. I was so scared we were destroying the fabric of reality. And really, we just messed up a few stitches.
Well, you are the scientist. Are you telling me that we can fix this?
I don't know, Owen. I don't know what to think. But I feel like I might know what to do.
Well, that's good enough for me.
But I'm the scientist. I'm not supposed to act on feelings. I'm scared. What if I make it worse?
I bet my fortune on you, Joseph Evergleam. I've done it before, and I'd do it again. You're the boss. Just tell us what we need to do.
I have the needle. And I have the thread. It's time I set these tapestry right. Oh, and stand back. I just hope I'm right. We're still here, so that's a good sign.
Well, I think I'll put the kettle on. Well, Gray? Great news.
So I just wanted. Go ahead.
You first.
So I just wanted to tell you that I don't think you're stupid. And I think you're a lot smarter than you give yourself credit for.
Well, thank you, but I think I maybe gave myself a little too much credit this time. You're a great friend, Joseph, even after I was awful to you. I think you might be the only real friend I have. People don't tend to stick around too long after they get to know me.
People don't stick around long enough to get to know me. I know I can be difficult. Sometimes I say the wrong thing or I don't say the right thing. I can calculate the trajectory of an asteroid, but I can't seem to grasp simple concepts like sarcasm.
You know.
Yes! Feelings are difficult. Feelings aren't factual. That's why I like math. Math gives you answers. Numbers give you answers. They're consistent. Everything's true or false, right or wrong, black or white. I don't think you understand how much you help me navigate these gray areas.
My whole life is a gray area, Joseph. When you're born wealthy, everything is negotiable. People are easy when you have what they want. The hard part is being what they want. And I don't think I figured out what that is yet. That's what I tell myself, at least. I've been so fixated on building a legacy that I have forgotten to build a life. If I'm being honest, even though I have everything that everyone could possibly want, nobody wants me.
We fight all the time. And you make me so angry. And we disagree. There's no one I'd rather have in my corner than you own. Botberg III.
Joseph! We do make a good team, don't we? I suppose you think we should destroy it.
Well, no, not necessarily. I mean, I've spent my life trying to solve the mysteries of the universe, and this machine is the culmination of all of that work. I mean, new technology can be dangerous, but it's not inherently good or bad. I think what matters is the intention with which it is used. Fear is a good reason to be cautious, but it's not a good reason to stop moving forward.
Are you saying what I think you're saying, Joseph?
No more taking home historical figures.
Okay, fine.
And no more flirting with royalty.
Huh. Okay.
And no more live demonstrations.
You're right. Maybe it was a mistake inviting everybody here tonight.
Well, I mean, they're all still here, so that means it mustn't have been that bad, right?
Right.
Not everything needs to be an investment opportunity. You don't need to slap your name on everything.
You're right. We could slap your name on everything. Evergreen Industries. What a marketable name.
I don't think that's what we need right now.
Okay, fine, Mr. Scientist. What